welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix unable to connect to EAS servers. So if you have this issue, I'll see from here, the first thing that you need to try is to click retry a lot of times and brute force your way until you enter the queue for the servers. So after you click retry, it will tell you that it is connecting, I'll see from here, and most of the times it will kick you out again, I'll see from here, and it will tell you that connection failed, you can't connect. You need to retry a lot of times. Also, you need to check your internet connection. Sometimes the problem is with your network, so try to use a stable network. The stronger your network, the better your chances that you enter the queue, because sometimes the servers will be full. Also, make sure to search for EAS server status. After that, go to this website I'll see from here, click on it, and now from here you can see all the servers status I'll see from here, and if is it online or offline. So I see from here Battlefield 6 servers status is online. So if it's online, then the problem is with your connection. So try to reconnect a lot of times. After that, hopefully you will be connected to Battlefield 6 servers and you can start playing again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.